spot remover to try out. Want to get rid of all the water spots on this guy, and then do a ceramic coat on it, and hopefully that just give this a bit of a jet wash. Take this off, take the cowling off. I don't know if you can pick it up, but I've polished this before, but there's just water marks over it just because it gets hosed down at the ramp with the high calcium water. Give that a wash. Just got one of these Karcher things. We're just going to give it a wash down with some C18 I've had since the Great Depression. Shake up so you don't go down too many rabbit holes. Yeah, so worth just checking over this while you got everything down, because if you got a, you know, it's got a little bit of salt. Just got a wet rag, just getting rid of this salt on the seal, and in this gap here it's hard to get it when the cowling's off. Put this guy back on. So the polish is doing quite well on that cowling where it hasn't been hit as hard. And the motor's, you see the motor's trailing, but this is feeding off good, so condom or whatever you want to call it does its job protecting the cowling. Just wash it with fresh, just try to get the bulk of the salt off. It's been cleaned with the salt off stuff before, but shit eases out cracks. Now we use this guy, not too close, just to try not blast the grease out, but so I just got this microfiber. That's pretty much what they say about boats, like with garden hoses. Like garden hoses won't push salt into the cracks, so best to flush off the garden hose, and then if you really want to do some detail work, use this guy later, but don't use this first because you'll just drive the salt in all the cracks, and you know, it might look like you're wasting water, but you know, fire hose got a lot of volume, it can move a lot of grime and crap, where this thing can't. It can blast it away, but it will drive it all into the cracks. That's why I use this not often on the boat, more for detail work and shit like that, and you drive the grease away, all that sort of stuff, so just be wary of that. So yeah, haters gonna hate, but thought I'd just explain that while I'm doing this. Is not wasting water, it's just flushing the shit away, and I'm actually trying to do some coatings on it that stop me having to do this as much. Alright, so it just says shake it well, spray it onto the water spots, don't let it dry. Fucking this seal's eating itself, so it is some sort of fucking acid. Right, there's still some water spots on there, so we're just going to follow the instructions, put this on there with it dry, and then just buff it off. Yeah. It says it won't need any other coatings off, so that's good. It's probably I don't know if you can pick it up, but there is water stains here, like hard on, dried on water stains, so spray this shit on there. And we'll buff it out with the reasonably dry cloth, and don't get it in your mouth like I just did, because it's acid. Yeah, I do see it working. That is impressive, rather than brute forcing it with a buff wheel or pop, you know, cutting compound or whatever. Alright, so what I found with this spot remover is clean the motor down with a car wash or whatever you do, clean it down, dry it off, wait for it to dry, and then hit it with the spot free remover. You just use a cloth, and then eventually it will dampen with the stuff, and then just You might have to wipe it in the areas that get more spots more, but overall just dry it, and then wherever you don't dry it off, it will leave like these white marks, but they buff out. And then so put it on, and you know, with the cloth, wipe it. It will leave a bit of a haze, and then buff it with a dry cloth, and it looks amazing. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there's still light water staining here, and this rag's got enough of that crap on there that it's soaked in, and I'll just rub it in, and then I just take a dry cloth and I'll just wipe it off, and it's still there. It just means that it's quite a heavy build up, and it would take a heavy polish to get that out, where this stuff is just eating away at it. Alright, we're going the whole hog because it's been a while. We've got some cleaner wax here, so yeah, we'll just do this crack here. It's pretty much covered by the Alright, just a tip, guys, just keep only a light amount polish on the pad there for when you do the gaps. Alrighty, that's hazed off enough, so just polish it up with a microfiber. So yeah, just rinse and repeat. Just don't know if you can pick up on video, but this is where I wouldn't bother in here. This is always going to get shit in there, so I just spray all this down with inox, or sorry, Lanox, and it's a light coating so you can see if things are pitting. Alright guys, this is the ceramic sealant. So what does it say? Spray onto a clean cloth. Spray onto there. Should be enough. And apply it. So in one panel at a time. So we'll just do this top little bit, and then buff it with the clean one. Alright, we're just gonna spray this on, get it in that crack we keep talking about. Alright, we just trust the process. So we've done the top half of the cowling, and we just do the rest of the motor. So it says nothing about it needing time to cure, so, and it says it can be done as a rinse aid, so I've wiped it on dry and then buffed it off. Now this is the rag that's soaked in it, so we're going to keep that, try not to get that one dirty, and then we're going to splash some filtered water over it, and then just wipe it with that, and then just work our way down and dry it off, and then that's sort of like 2 layers, and if we missed anywhere, the water sort of works its way in. So you know, that's all we can do. I've got some filtered water here, so this should be a good testament to see how well it beads off anyway with the first coat. Yeah, that's bloody, that is beating off like a molefoil. I don't know if you can pick that up in the film, but it's sheeting off. It's sheeting off, so that's perfect. This is the rag soaked in the stuff, so that won't go to waste. And it says just, you know, 1 panel at a time, and sort of dry it as you go. So we'll just do that. I like it. So we just do that, and hit it with our drying rag, and this is 2 coats sort of thing. Just jet wash this cowling, used a bit of CD18, jet wash that, letting that dry on the perfectly pruned drying rack. And to save me shammying down this, or cleaning down this guy tomorrow, when that's dry, I'm just going to put a bit of an old bed sheet Yeah, so save us a bit of cleaning tomorrow.